Hello guys, welcome back to One Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. So yeah, we are in a place called Surrey Quays in South London, and without further ado, we are going to take off. So the drone's going up in the air, as you can see. So yeah, we've got a nice open parkway, flying in a place called Southwark Park. So really nice sunny day here in late August. There's a bit of music playing there. I don't want to get copyright, so I'm just going to walk away from it. You could actually see me walk down on the screen, which is actually crazy. Alright, we're going to do a 360-degree photo. Alright, 360-degree photo is complete. Let's just explore the area. As you can see, it looks like there's a pitch going down here. As you can see, where should we go? Let's go where there's sun. Let's go in normal mode. Actually, there's sun in this area, and as you can see, there's a fast train there.
Yes, oh very much. Yeah, there's like a little period. Obviously, it can be nice. You know, like this all can be.
So the train's going down here. There's so many trains, literally. But I want to follow this one specifically. There's so many, look, in this little area. Let's follow this train. Oh my god, there's so many trains, it's actually crazy. Look at that, they're all high speed as well. I want to go to these buildings down there. This building is actually higher than my drone. Let's get a tour of this building down here. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna go to this building down here. I'm gonna circle around it. So as you can see, you can see Canary Wharf in the background. Just gonna go straight ahead. Only issue is that there's trees all around, so like it's quite hard to see some buildings, but this building is clear in sight, so we should be good. Look how close we're going to it, that is insane. That is actually insane. I wish I can go a little bit higher to that area, but we're not going to be able to. That is actually insane. What we will do, we'll go a little bit to the other side. I want to explore this side. That is actually amazing. Alright, let's head back now. We're above kind of the water, as you can see. Look at that. Let's get a straight down shot of that for a little while. See how close this big building is, insane. What we'll do now, we'll go down here. So look, this is the main area of kind of the water, as you can see. Or is it Surrey Quays? It's near kind of the water. What we'll do, we'll go straight down, straight over. And you get a vertical shot of it. Go above, stay above it. And we'll just get a static shot for a little while. Stay here for a bit. Get a shot of the parking lot or car park. Let's go this way. Then we'll go the other way as well. So we've got big Tesco there, then we got a we've got the main area down here. We've got even a tennis court at the end. What we'll do now, we get a shot, we'll go straight over. I want to go to this area down here where there's a lake. Maybe next time when I fly in this area, I'll probably come here again in this area and I'll fly near the River Thames, that side. I want to try and go towards this little building over there. But I think that's a bit too far. We probably won't be able to go there. Actually, we can get a river shot as well. Actually, we won't go that far because we're gonna go a bit far. What we can do, we can get a nice shot. I don't want to risk going behind a tree again, so I'm just gonna like not do that. Cause it's so easy to just go behind it, even though you got clear sight of that building. I'm trying to walk closer to it to get a better shot. What we can do, we can get a shot of this area down here. Surrey Quays. We've got the station over there on the overground station. We'll just get a orbit shot of this major road. Of Surrey Quays station, which was nearby. Let's get an orbit shot of that for a little bit. We'll see what's down here. What we'll do. Oh look, we got down there as well. We can go down here. Look at that shot. That's amazing. Get a nice clean shot of that. Well, that chimney, you can just stay static for a while and then we'll head back. Maybe I should have done a faster turnaround. What we can do, we can get a shot, we can get a close shot on top of this building. So we'll go above here. And then we've got the other building, which is down there. We'll get a shot of that as well in a second. Right, come back. Where should we go now? Let's go somewhere different. Let's go explore this area down there. The sun's coming in my eyes now, so I'm gonna go back in the shade. So there's no more trains now. I'll just stay around here. We can get a sick shot of going above here. You get a shot of the Shard. Actually insane. The train going down the Shard. Look, we'll stay around here, yeah, we'll get a nice static shot of the train coming. So that's going, I think that's going directly to London Bridge, which is where the Shard is. Stay around there. What we'll do, we'll turn around quickly. Trains actually go here. Stay around there and get a nice shot of that. We've got a train coming down here as well. We've got another train. We'll follow this train back actually. We've got an A380 coming above us. We'll get a shot of that, a plane. Actually no, we got enough shots of the A380. When I flew in Richmond, when I flew, the Heathrow flight path goes above Richmond. I don't want to ruin the shot, so I'm just going to carry on getting the shot. I don't think it's A380, that's just not, I know, it looks like it. It looks like the A380. What we're going to do, I'm just going to carry on going straight over. We'll get a parallax shot. We go straight over. Look at that shot, that is amazing. Alright, what we'll do now, we'll come back down because we're gonna land in a second. Because we're 23% now. Gotta land. We're gonna land the drone. Actually, no, we've still got a bit of battery. Let's get low down shots going down here. I want to get shot going down this area down here. Let's explore this. We'll explore this park for a little bit. Looks like there's a lot of moss in that water, or algae. We'll explore this area down here. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't explore more of the park when I'm flying in this area. Look at that. Alright, I'm gonna bring the drone back now. Alright, let's bring the drone back. Let's bring it back in sports mode because that was a sick approach. Alright, let's land it now. Alright, that was my amazing drone flight here in Surrey Quays. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.